G, flip, you just trying to flip these chicks into bigger chicks.
Reinz on the beat.
Flip, G, what I'm faster than lead, 150 to flip.
What's up? How are you? Are you good? Me? I'm fine. Dripp Daddy with the sauce out here. We are on location, obvious, as you can see by the background there. We are deep in the Bundu's bag, and you would never guess who I am with. I am with thy favorite YouTuber, of thy favorite persons, of personnel. There we go.
The drip.
What drip, nigga?
The drip is, you know what I'm saying?
You are finessing the drip.
Yeah.
No, guys, boy, finessing the drip. Finessing the hell out of this drip.
Drip with sauce.
What's
What's good, man? Today, I'm my nigga, Dre.
I'm inside. Kitseni botaki. Kitseni.
Shoot a flip. I get on that.
Hey, shooting a music video. Yeah, the music of Sanoka people a lot of Mangrawani, Umalmar, Dripp, Kana, Malaga C4. We're not gonna Hey, what's in the name? What's in the name? Akirabona. You went to Holocaust. You went to Holocaust. I go, Belly to get Yeah, but Malama C4. You're not Bon, he's chasing sunrises, this boy. We're out here deep in the Bundus, chasing sunrises as usual. But now the EyesOfBrandon is being a nonsense over there. Look at him. Being the cinematographer. Yeah, he's quasi, but being the cinematographer he is. Well, check this out. One EyesOfBrandon.
Hey, what's poppin'? You know what I'm saying? We out here, Rapoo, Moragang / Masim, you know what I'm saying?
Doing the things that need to be done.
Flip music video, you know what I'm saying? Directed by me.
By who?
And the boys.
And the boys.
What's happening? We good. We nice.
We the serious. Bye.
Bye.
Get out of here, nigga. Massimo boy straight. Mutase. Yeah, to finish in the drip. Hey, the boy.
Yeah.
The boy. Pardon. Just tata bolo. What you get? Chicky date.
Bantora.
Kate wa go so no sa bone papa. Go ta go thaloga.
I get who so.
We raja.
Give me up.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch.
Deep in the shit, still out here. Wanna creative all my kill.
Yo, what's happening? It's 6 a.m. You're sick.
Was pota kaga wipo. La go tapis. Ka se ke sun kiss there, sun momonade, sun mwed. I'm in the presence of these crazies. Hey, random screamings and shit. Still out here in the Bundus of the Bundus bag, doing what we do, doing our job, being creative as usual. Yeah, ska sala mo ga ttoga di go loma. Ya loma di o tso di tshabera ngwa. Ala ba disa ke ba. Badisa. Okay, with the Badisa. Still out here, about to start shooting the first scene with the C4. Just Brandon checking the settings and checking everything. That's what's up. We about to stop. How about the C4 Lola Kuku wait? Oh, what in Nana?
Mana? Orang kumela vira.
Kumele bita na kaling nalasolope.
Nalaselo.
Ay tamay. Kawan lain lagi sibunya.
Orang yang nurau vira yang
Kawan lain yang kurang rawi yang mana kau.
Melody, baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know and I know we're onto something good. You know and I know we got something good, something good. We got something good.
Still out here. What's up? I'm going to go to I can't receive him. What's up? What's up? Still out here. Wanna so set up. Na grata gore no ne bana se rupi set them. Bana se rupi no ne mo ma se pitiati mo. For those of you who don't know what a horse looks like, this is what a horse look like. Kana bafana ba trop. Aba itidot. I'm walking over to Brandon. I see what Brandon is doing out there with them boys. We're still out here in the bundles back. That's what's up. Whew. Another look at my Seema. Hey, the bubbles are man. From the farm. On to our second location.
You know what I'm saying? Miracle about the guys.
Brother, not fresh.
Good man. I was just on a horse, man. How many of y'all have ever been on a horse, man? Have you ever been on a horse, bro? Nah. Brandon, have you ever been on a horse? Ah, that's chill.
I've been on a horse.
None of y'all niggas have never been on a horse, nigga.
I've been on a horse.
I've been in a horse. Wasn't trailer.
I go on a horse and trail and eat baby.
Yes.
I go home. I get the drop like it's a flaps.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
man.
climb.
Yeah, man. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. Second location.
You know what I'm
Flip.
saying?
You know what
Flip.
I'm saying. From the slums
You know what I'm saying?
to the Serbs.
You know what I'm saying?
Serbs.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Serve errands. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, Aaron.
From the slums to the urbans,
Urban.
man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yes, we are here at our second location. Second location still about to do it. The boys are there fixing up the lights and everything. Yeah, I'm gonna see folk.
I was doing my GA, bro. I'm just trying to get this shit done, bro.
We finna get this shit done.
Yeah. You guys flash me. Perfect.
We about to wrap up our second shoot. We got a nice look. What's up, Rihanna? Yeah, brother got overblown. Yes. What's up? Yes. How are you? the pretty Michelle. The pretty Michelle. How about you, the pretty Michelle? We also have Laune, the pretty Laune. Hi. Oh, look at you. Ha ha ha. Yeah, tell me to myself. I'm not gonna be. Hi. Finesse. This is the drip check. Come on. Finesse us with the Air Force. Come on. Finesse us. Ooh, child. Ooh, that's nice. What's up, boy? You Ooh, this nice, nigga. Yes, drip check, boy. Come on, finesse. Air Jordans, finesse, boy. Come on, boy. What you finessing on your head, boy? What is this on your head, boy? Come on, boy. No, what's that, dude?
One, action.
Bueno, mañana hago el sexy, doesn't need to drink. Come on. I got 3 feet. I'm going to go play Kebinakgabo. I'm going to go Let's go. What I'm faster to live, 150 to flip. Kiss me a million dip, 2020 I'm getting me rich. Move out of my mama crib, I got the blue lady in the crib. I feel like Ricky, you find me. I'm distracted.
Hi, C4. Let's talk about C4. C4. Hi. Michelle, you know what we ain't C4. Walk all over me, man. By what? You thought I'm a shop.
I can go to get a game in here.
C4 kan nele mo na roya la ko ni C4 la ma ba shela. C4 ba ro ma her. C4 Nancy. You.
Just that song.
Eta. We picture that. Eta.
Dripp with sauce.
Drip with the sauce. Michelle, let's come more tata. Light blows. But I like it. Michelle, I like it for the pirates.
Dripp, yeah. Water faster than lead. 150 to flip. Catch me a million dip. 2020, I'm getting me rich. Move out of my mind. I got the blues like a nigga crib. I feel like Ricky can find me a stick. She feel like Nikki, that booty be thick. I feel like Betty can find me a bitch. Like when I owe me a C4.
What guy? We are done. We are officially done with our shoot. Rihanna,
Yeah.
From there. Riri K from there. Everywhere Riri K.
Riri K.
Michelle.
Hi guys.
Michelle.
Instagram at not so extra.
Not so extra. No extra for you.
Not even.
Yes. Ubono guy.
Okay.
Ubono guy.
Okay.
Mudi what? Mudi Twitter gram ubono guy.
I don't have Twitter.
You don't have Twitter. You have gram. o sa bona o bona kae gore a o teng ga o yo batla go bona mandi
Let me social media lang at salang yan.
re hetsa ka shoot ya rena botsadi ga re itse gore music video ya go tswa leng Brandon next week a re wa go tswa next month kana Brandon ka go lebala le wena ga o batla go laela kante laela fa tsana ka lapeng gore o bonwa kae leng kae jang
Instagram handle. Listen Lekgotla.
Wilson Lekgotla le mo tshwarang hela gone ko le buise le mo keletsa di followera mela one o gane gore bolela gore o bonwa kae mela gore sepe are she's not on the Twittergram but it's fine whatever.
You know what I'm saying? Like, honestly, I'm literally like living my dream right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit, I never thought
This shit makes you happy, bitch.
Man, it makes me so happy. Like, I never thought there'd be a day, you know, for like a full music video. I'm gonna fucking shoot, you know what I'm saying? Like it's some crazy shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, I used to pray for days like these ones, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like some crazy shit going on right now, you know what I'm saying? Like, shout out to everybody that supported me thus far, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, thank you, God. Thank you to everybody that supports me. Thank you to my niggas. Thank you to everybody, man, you know what I'm saying?
Without us, you wouldn't be.
Without y'all niggas, y'all wouldn't be here, dog.
Without Trata, you wouldn't be here. God, without me, I can go and meet. Eh?
I will focus on
Jack. You wanna? Without me, Brandon wouldn't be here. I shout out my nigga, man.
What up, faster than lead? 150 to flip. Catch me a million dip. 2020, I'm getting me rich. Move out of my mama crib. I got the booze like a nigga crib. I feel like Ricky can't find me a stick.